Okay, want to talk about another app that you can use to copy your work as a PDF. This particular one is called Camscanner. Well, this is awkward. So let's try Scanner. Okay, it's this one. So this is what you want. So I'm told that you can get this on iOS or Android. I already have mine, so I'm going to open it up. So once you have this, we don't want to upgrade to premium, so you just want the free version. So I'm going to scan an image. So I'm going to hit the camera plus, and you have an option down here. You have single and you have batch. If you have more than one page, you want to do batch. So then I would set this up. I just have my textbook, so I'm going to take a picture. Since I have it set up to batch, I want to show you if you have more than one. So then you just set it, click the camera to take another picture. So now if I click on that little, you'll see I have both pages. You can actually adjust this if you drag the corners to where you want it. You can adjust it. You can go to the second page, and if you needed to adjust it for your work, you can. Then you click on the little check mark, and now you have both of your pages. So now I want to share this. So notice the little share button. I'm going to hit share, and you have an option of how you want to share this. So we want to share this as a PDF, and we can hit share, and then you can tell it where you want it to go. Well, I want it to go to my Google Drive, so I'm going to hit Drive. I have two accounts. I want it to go to my school account. You can actually select a folder. So I'm going to select a folder in my Drive, and I'm going to give this folder a new name. And I'm just going to call it Scanned Work. And create this folder, and I want to save it here. So I end up going back, and I do have to hit upload. Upload failed. Well, that's interesting. Let's try that again. I have had that happen before where it's told me upload failed, and I tried it again and it worked. So I'm going to select my folder on my Drive, and where did I have this? I can just put in a search. Scanned. You don't have to do this. I mean, scanned work. There we go. And let's see if it will go now. And it's going, and it's going. So then if you go to your Drive and you go to scanned work, you would find that. Now the advantage of this is it's a cleaner image. So that is kind of a nice thing to be able to do. So you might want to try this. It is going. And you would be able to find it there.